So this is exactly what you guys asked for. You said massive streaming application with the super large library of movies and TV shows, way bigger than Netflix, but also with live TV content and also a fully working program guide. Now, this application doesn't require any kind of registration, no usernames, no passwords. It works great on your Fire Sticks, Android TVs. And with this special version, you don't even see any adverts. So all of this great content across all of your devices, 100% free and even ad free. So please do take a moment to hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's
If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Fire Stick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you.
So this is the brand new version of Tubi TV, which now finally, after all these years, has been officially released for the UK market as well. As you can see, this on the Play Store has had more than 100 million downloads. You can see here lots of great content, lots of very popular movies, TV shows, lots and lots of live TV content, and of course with that fully working program guide. Now you can see the version here on the Play Store was updated on the 28th of June 2024, so fairly hot off the press, but the Fire TV version, the Amazon version, was actually released today, which is the 2nd of July. And many thanks to Doc Squiffy, who actually told me about this release. Now let me jump over to my 3rd generation Fire TV Cube. Let's open that up. Now when you start the application for the first time, welcome to unlimited movies, TV shows, and even live news channels. 100% legal, no subscription required, and you get lots of great content. Let's click on next. So it's just 3 times the content of Netflix. So that is a pretty big library. I mean, Netflix itself is a very large library. So to have 3 times that size of that library, I do think that's an impressive stat. Let's click on next. Available on all devices, phones, tablets, Roku devices, Android TVs, Fire Sticks, all devices covered. Get started. Let's get started. Now it does say that you can create a free account if you want to. This will allow you to add things into your watch list. You can save your progress, and it does also give you some recommendations if you want to do that. But for this demonstration, I'm not going to log in. I'm going to continue as guest. I do believe even as guest, you do get the ability to continue watching, which I will demonstrate in just a second. Okay, so we are now in the new home screen. So the first thing we see is the brand new featured content. So some of the more popular content in here. Currently in the home section, let's stay there. So we saw the featured content. Then you have recommended content. So now here we see some of the more popular content, more recommended content. So for a quick test, if I just look at The Man, let's click on that. When you click on something, you get to see who directed the content, who it's starring, the age rating, the genre, and how long it is. Let's click on play. And this is the crazy thing, guys. I'm playing this content, and as you can see, in a couple of seconds, we are straight in there and no interruptions, no pop-ups, nothing interrupting our viewing pleasure. We are straight into the content. I can go back. Okay, that was in recommended. Then you have recommended channels. I will go through the channel sections in just a second, but let's go through the main list. Leaving soon basically shows you some of the content that's leaving the platform as they make way for newer content. Then you got some sci-fi stuff, nostalgia, black cinema, recently added. Yeah, this is what I'm saying. So we can see some of the new stuff that's been added to the platform. Here, for example, we have this thing here, 2 hours and 6 minutes, sci-fi. Let's click on play, and in less than 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, we are into that content, no interruptions, and we can really go ahead and enjoy all of this content, 100% official, 100% legal, and that's working great. I can forward that a bit. That's working flawlessly. Let's go back. Then you got thrillers, horror, something different, other content, other stuff, lots of different things. Let's go to the left. Okay, so let's now go over to networks. And here you can see, guys, lots of different networks in here. So if I'm only interested in content from FilmRise, I can click on that. And this will then show me all of the content from that particular network. And again, just a superb library of content that's available. Let's go back. Let's now have a look at the live TV, because that was one of the areas that was recently revamped. I was really impressed with the amount of content that you can get in here, especially with a fully working program guide. So let's click on that. And you can see, guys, now we have a fully working program guide. I can see exactly what's on now, what's coming up next. I get to see lots of different sports content, lots of different sports channels, all categorized, all properly sorted out in this massive list of channels that we can enjoy on all of our devices. That's working great. Overall, guys, I really am impressed with this new version of Tubi TV. As you've seen in the demonstration today, there's just such a large amount of content, so many movies, so many TV shows, but also the fact that you get that massive library of TV channels, including that fully working program guide. And to get that in an application that doesn't require any kind of registration, I definitely think this new version of Tubi TV is definitely worthwhile checking out. Now, to get this on all of your devices, just press the home button. I can now go over to the search, and we can see on my device based in the UK, I can now just type in Tubi, and we can see there it is. Let's click on that. Let me now show you more info. And just to confirm that when you scroll to the bottom, and here you can see that the application was updated or released today on the 2nd of July. So if you are looking for the latest streaming applications, the best tips and tricks for your Fire Sticks, Android TV devices, really just how to get the best cord cutting experience, definitely do think about subscribing. Now, if you can't see this application in the Amazon App Store or the Google Play Store, or if you are looking for that special version, you can always get that from our website by going over to tdoctoruk.com, clicking on tutorials, and the latest tutorial in the list will be how you can get the special version of Tubi TV for all of your devices. And just before you go, guys, you will notice that depending on your IP address, it will determine what kind of content you see in this application, or really just in most streaming applications. If you are looking for the easiest way to get a USA IP address or an IP address from anywhere of the world, right now there's a super special offer just for the next 2 weeks, where you can get total protection for unlimited devices. Doesn't matter if you have 10 Fire Sticks or 25 Android TVs and 4 laptops, all of your devices will be covered with a single license. You can then change your IP address, change your virtual location, you can hide your online activities, you can access all of your favorite streaming applications wherever you are in the world. Really, to get all of that for just $2.19 a month, I really think this special offer is definitely worthwhile checking out. And they also give you those 3 months free. Using my link does help support my channel, so many thanks if you want to do that. Do have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. Do leave me a comment below, let me know what you think, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.